Since I do the maintenance myself, there is a lot of automotive exhaust gas that occurs in the actual maintenance environment, including black smoke and white smoke. Especially in the case of graphite, it can be quite hazardous to human health. Similarly, if it is released into the atmosphere, air pollution would also become serious. Now, when doing maintenance, everyone tends to ponder such issues at least once. In particular, the current automotive maintenance market has reached a point where chemical-related maintenance has become necessary, with the introduction of gasoline and GDI engines. The mention of chemicals inevitably leads to the production of white smoke. Thus, we came up with the idea of creating a method to effectively eliminate any graphite and white smoke in the automotive maintenance market. In particular, since the maintenance workers are the ones directly inhaling it, it is not good for their health in various aspects. So the focus of the automotive exhaust gas purifier is on purifying that part. The VP750A is a smoke dust collection and purification device optimized for mobile maintenance shops. The VP750A is a smoke dust collection and purification device optimized for mobile maintenance shops. The VP750A is a smoke dust collection and purification device optimized for mobile maintenance shops. The VP750A is a smoke dust collection and purification device optimized for mobile maintenance stations. This model features a 5-stage purifying systems. Collection and purification system capable of removing particulate matter as small as 0.3 m. The 750 WBLDC model reduces noise and enhances efficiency. Additionally, the performance of this model has been proven in in-house performance analysis, with a failure rate of 0.0%. The VP750A can utilize various types of filters, including rich filters. Carbon filters can also be used. When we work, a lot of exhaust fumes come out, especially during forced DPF regeneration, or when we conduct prolonged emissions tests. And then there's the intake cleaning. During these cleaning operations, a huge amount comes out. At such times, the health of our workers is the top priority. And since this repair shop is located in a densely populated residential area, we receive a lot of complaints. There is a lot of smoke and noise, and the main goal is to address these issues. First of all, the number of complaints has decreased significantly. Before the implementation, there were occasional complaints, but after this was done, there haven't been any since. First of all, it has good cost performance. Next, it's a suitable size for operation by a third-tier company. Easy to manage, easy to change filters, and easy to move. In that regard, I can definitely recommend it for our third tier company. Currently, automotive exhaust gas purifier has shown test results indicating that it removes 100% of black, soot or graphite. However, one aspect we are pursuing in the future is that when we maintain the smell and chemicals, it inevitably leads to the generation of odors. We are also considering fundamental methods to eliminate odors and, furthermore, several development directions to remove general site emissions or dust beyond the current smoke collectors.